Hello and welcome to another update video about silver. Yeah, as expected, silver is getting that higher high. Silver broke out. We had one more trend reversal area here that was communicated in the last video. And then the prices really started to escalate. Okay, so what we're dealing with here, let me take that out. What we're dealing with here is likely now this third wave, circle wave 3. Let me explain where we come from. We turned around in this support region here in October, produced, to be honest, a somewhat questionable wave 1 to the upside because we have here a truncated wave 5. So I'm not very happy with that, but it's the best way to count this. Then we had our wave 2 to the downside, great reaction to the support region. Another wave 1 to the upside of the larger third wave, yeah. Then a wave 2 pullback. As soon as this was finished, I highlighted to you we've got possibly another one too. Remember that I highlighted to you that we don't really trust leading diagonals until we get a 3-wave pullback, forming a higher low. So again, here reacted to the golden ratio at $23.52. And of this wave 2 low, the market has now started to deliver, okay? And we are likely now in circle wave 3 of the larger degree third wave. So what we now need to understand is what would be a target for this third wave. And first of all, let's zoom out a little bit. Let's take a look at this chart and let's understand that around $25 and what was it, $25.30, we had critical resistance which has been overcome. So you could nearly say that this orange wave count, which was the bearish one, basically is invalidated as it is. That doesn't invalidate any downside, but it sort of is in line with our primary forecast, primary perspective, that we should push higher from here and that we are in line with an overall bullish scenario. And then the next key structural resistance level is at around $26.15. So back to zooming in. My preferred wave count is that we're now escalating here in circle wave 3. So what would be target for circle wave 3? Seems impulsive at the moment. So, okay. So what I would like to see is typically here the, what do we have? Yeah, the 1.236 extension, all the way up to the 1.618 extension for this third wave, okay? So that's what I would like to see. I can actually, let me just hide the fibs we don't need. No, we don't need that. Yeah, so I just want to present you, let's say, the pivot area or the target area for, well, the highest likelihood target area in which we should see that third wave get to. If the price doesn't even get there, then I think we're dealing with another 1-2 setup. Yeah, so I think then we're dealing with another 1-2 setup. Ideally, we avoid this because then it starts to get very choppy again. But I'd like to see here now a push into the region around $26.21 and $27.22. Could be that we're now forming here this, or nearly completed this fifth wave of circle wave 3. Then get circle wave 4, circle wave 5. That would complete the larger degree third. Then we get a larger degree fourth and a larger degree fifth. And that would form the next larger degree wave 1. I will then need to integrate it into the bigger picture here. I will probably do that next for the next video. But basically this third wave would then also have 5 waves. And yeah, silver overall makes a more bullish impression than gold. There's just more there's just more space to the upside. Yeah. Now, okay, so when do we know that something different is going on? Basically this alternative 1-2 setup that I talked about, which would allow for a deeper pullback, but still even in this scenario, the price should stay above $23.20. Well, we can track the 50% retracement level. What we do is we take the length of the third wave, the current third wave, and we say that we can continue to push higher as long as the 50% retracement level is holding. So this box doesn't mean we have to get into it. It just shows you the key pivot point micro support relevant for circle wave 4. Actually, I would like to see this third wave extend further as explained, yeah. Let me just double check something again. Yeah. Yeah, actually, this needs to sit here. Okay, so I'd like to see circle wave 3 get into this region. Like that. Okay. And yeah, this is micro support still for circle wave 4. Should we come down now, at no point, whatever silver is doing to maintain this more direct bullish perspective, at no point we should see it break below $24.30. That would be the bullish support, micro support. Against that level we can focus on higher, and yeah, if we see a pullback below that level, then again that would be the alternative. I would say this here is a 1 and we come down in a wave 2 and then can move on from there, yeah, but it would be a deeper pullback. Yeah, that's my update about silver. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, if you're interested in daily updates about the S&P 500, as well as regular video updates about the Nasdaq and the S&P and regular stocks updates, check out our stocks and S&P 500 service. You can find the link in the description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.